It's the one and only. Cooking with Mr. Tony. I've been on hiatus for a little while, but I'm back and ready to hit you up with my quick and easy smoked brisket recipe. Look, folks, it's gonna take some time, but it's worth it in the end. First, make sure you're using a good cut of brisket. You're not gonna find what you're looking for at the local discount store. Throw the gospel on garlic, salt, and pepper. Wrap your brisket up like mum rat and wait for the next day. Next day, start your smoker to get that perfect smoke ring. Crank the grill up to 220 and let it sit. Make sure you check on it about every 2 hours or so with your spray bottle to keep it from drying out. Next, we're going to wrap her up in butcher paper. Put her back on the grill until she reaches an internal temperature of 201 degrees. It's smelling good, but don't cut into her just yet. Let's wrap a towel around her and let that beautiful beef sit for at least 1 hour, if not more. Now it's time to cut into her and let that beautiful beef melt in their mouths. You better believe it's good. Stay tuned for more Cooking with Mr. Tony episodes. Like and subscribe.
So tender.